Some
Ooh.
mistakes to avoid.
Mistakes to avoid. All right, here's a good one. House in the kid's name. Tell us about that McDonald's story.
Yeah, so putting the house in a kid's name can be a pretty big mistake, okay? For a couple of different reasons. One, you put your house in your kid's name, you give up control. Second, it could be a big tax problem. And third, it could be a mistake for long-term care. So let's talk about that tax issue for a second. If you've ever been at McDonald's at like 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, well, in there, there's the guys, the little table of little old guys that are sitting in the corner. One of the things that they're always talking about is, I'm going to put my house in my kid's name. The other guy goes, you can't do that. Your kid's a bum. Oh, no, my lawyer says, okay, well, your lawyer's a bum. Like, you can picture these guys at the McDonald's. The reason that they're trying to put their house in their kid's name is because they've heard it's smart from a tax perspective. But here's the problem. The boys at McDonald's, they don't know anything about tax, right? They think they're avoiding the federal estate tax, which for most of us hasn't really been an issue for about 20 years. And in the process, they're probably making a pretty good big capital gains tax mistake. And so you got to be really careful with this putting the house in the kid's name. We call that kitchen table planning, right? You're going to sit around the kitchen table with your family and you're going to beat the government at their own game. It doesn't really work that way. So a better way to do it is to use a trust or some other estate planning tool to accomplish your objective rather than just slapping your kid's name on it.